Welcome to Equalizer. We thank you for taking the time to learn more about our company and the products we offer. We're a leader in the design, manufacture, and global distribution of agricultural implements, specifically planters and seeders. What differentiates us from other manufacturers is that we only focus on the planting and seeding process, and by doing so, we are able to provide you with specialized products and features. During this presentation, we'd like to show you how we would help you maximize your planter or seeder investment. We believe the key to success in any business, but specifically with planting and seeding, is service. With over 1,000 planters and seeders in the field, we've learned specialist support at dealer and producer level is critical. To provide you with unparalleled service, we've established the following structures in South Africa. We have in excess of 50 dealers. This map illustrates that there is almost no commercial crop producing area in the country, where we are currently not represented. We've also established our own Equalizer employed network, to further support dealers and producers. We've placed these personnel in strategic locations, to ensure that our producers always have an Equalizer specialist within a 200 kilometers distance. This map shows the 200 kilometers radius around each of our 5 specialists. Because planting is the most important part of a producer's program, we understand that parts availability is crucial. To help with this, we've developed an online parts manual to streamline the process for dealers and producers to identify and procure their required parts. Our dealers and customers have access to our online parts manual, which is found on our website. This allows them to easily find the parts they need. You simply select the relevant planter or seeder. Then, use the visual guidance to identify the part of the planter that you need a part for. And drill down until you find the specific part and part number you require. This part can then easily be ordered by adding it to your cart and submitting it to us or your dealer. We'll then receive your requirement and arrange for a quotation to be sent to you by your dealer. Now let's have a look at the products we can offer you. When considering our planters, it's important to first distinguish between the 2 types of planters we offer, which are conventional planters and minimum tillage planters. Our conventional planter is the right tool for producers who prefer to till the soil prior to planting. Whereas our min-till planter provides producers the option to plant in unprepared soil, in a single pass. It's important to note that our min-till planter can also be used a conventional planter, by simply replacing the tine with a coulter. Both our planters offer you the latest technology from Precision Planting in the USA. By incorporating the Precision Planting seed metering and control system into our planters, we are able to provide producers with the best technology in the world, combined with the strength, reliability and service that Equalizer has become known for. Let's have a look at the features provided. We constantly strive to add to the features we offer, so that we fulfill all our producers' needs. Let's have a quick look at some of the options available. Planters from 4 rows, up to 36 rows. Various spacing options. Instead of wheels, you can fit camso tracks. For seed distribution we offer a choice between ground drive and electric drive. We offer distribution solutions for both granular and liquid fertilizer. We offer 2 liquid fertilizer distribution options, which are flat rate variable distribution, or row-by-row variable distribution. An on-frame liquid applicator tool for pop-up fertilizer or herbicide spray. And many more options, that we don't have time to show now. Now, let's have a look at the seeders we can offer you. When considering our seeders, it's important to first distinguish between the 2 types of seeders we offer, which are minimum tillage tine seeders or no-tillage disc seeders. Both our seeders provide the producer with a single-pass seeding tool, but the difference is the extent of tillage incurred during the seeding process. We find that the majority of producers in both South Africa and Australia still prefer the tine seeder, but there are a number of producers who've adapted their systems to allow for no-till seeding. Our disc seeder has also become very popular among farmers for its ability to plant cover crops. These are a few unique features of our tine seeder unit. The fertilizer and seed placement operate between 2 semi-independent parts of the unit, which provide fertilizer placement and cultivation below the seed. The tine has a hydraulic breakaway action which will give way if a rock is encountered, and if it is a small rock, the tine will give way, but not influence the seed placement. If it is a large rock, the tine will also lift the seed placement element to ensure that the unit is not damaged. There's also an orifice in the hydraulic tine which ensures that the tine does not return to its normal position too fast. This is very important, because if a hydraulic tine returns to the ground at pace, the force at re-engagement with the soil will often cause damage. The press wheel fixture to the unit provides for slight lateral swing, which is critical when seeding fields with contours. The unit provides numerous other features, but we cannot discuss all of them now. You can view all the features in the brochure or on our website. We have spent many years to develop our disc seeder so that it addresses the needs of no-till producers. Our research and development has led to the following features. A single disc unit, where the disc is tilted sideways and downwards, to create an undercut angle. We've found that this undercut angle gives the disc optimal cutting ability. Each unit also incorporates hydraulic downforce, which results in more consistent seed placement and depth. To further enhance the seed placement and depth, the cutting disc is followed by a spring-loaded seed boot, which follows the disc as it creates the furrow in both soft and hard soil conditions. The boot also has a tab to restrict seed bounce in the furrow. After seed placement, a seed firming wheel enhances the seed-to-soil contact and seed depth, before the closing wheel finishes the seeding process. The latest product in our range is an air cart, which can be used with both our planters and seeders. With producers consistently expanding the size of their operations, the need for increased seed and fertilizer capacity is becoming more prevalent. To address this need, we offer a tow-between or tow-behind air cart, which offer from 4,000 liters up to 20,000 liters in liquid or granular capacity. Our air cart also incorporates a very unique internal auger system, which grants the operator easy access while loading the cart, and eliminates dangerous and time-consuming ladders and suspended walkways. We want to thank you for spending the time to learn more about our company and the products we offer. If you have any questions, please contact your nearest dealer or contact us directly, and we will gladly assist you in any way possible.